Hi, James Kennedy, Peavey Commercial Audio at ISE 2020, and I'm happy to announce EN54 Part 16 certification for MediaMatrix, and I'd like to introduce our new processor, which is at the heart of the system, which is the NC Pilot. The NC Pilot is an industrial-grade PC running custom control manager software, which essentially takes control of the system. All of the fault reporting and monitoring is calculated and processed through that box. So that is the main brain, if you like, of the system. In addition to that, we have the Nion series of processors, which has also gone through certification with the NC Pilot. The Nion N3, the N6, which we're showing here today, and also the NX. So all the Nions, apart from the NE, so all Nions with front panel displays are now EN54 16 certified. This is a unique approach to EN54 and life safety systems. It's from a pro audio perspective, and we are in a collaboration, if you like, with the VACE, the voice alarm control indicating equipment, with other manufacturers. So it's a very expansive and flexible system, and you can choose the components and build a system which makes sense for you. For more information, go to peaveycommercialaudio.com. Thank you very much.